Hey y'all, so we are at Home Depot once again. Why you say hey like that? But
hello.
But we are getting some drywall to finish up the basement. We had to actually rent one of their trucks because it was so much drywall. I know, I'm trying to show the truck. It was so much drywall that we actually thought we could put it in our van, but they said we'd mess the shocks up. So we had to rent one of their trucks. That's alright, because I put all of it on camera. Ready? Yeah. Alright. So I'm currently down in the basement. We are about to get some renovations started. The basement is unfinished, but I got a lot of plans for down here, so I just cannot wait till it's completely done and y'all can see the ideas that we have for this basement put together. We just got in from Home Depot. We got the sheetrock and we got all the other materials that is needed. So let me just give you a brief tour of what it looks like. So back here is where the furnace and all that stuff at. Under the stairs where we're gonna put some stuff at.
What?
And back here is just the unfinished area. Okay, I mean, well, the whole basement is unfinished. Here is where the bathroom is going to be. My sunroom is going to be here, and this whole area right here is going to be our theater area. So they just currently moving in some sheetrock before they start.
Go over it and even it out.
Too much for me.
Good.
Alright, Kenna, what are you doing?
I was making.
You ain't doing nothing. So here is the materials that we are using for the basement. Well, not us, but the contractors are using for the basement, as well as some sheetrock that I told you all that they are currently bringing in right now. That's over here, and the materials and tools and stuff like that they're going to bring on the day that they start the renovations for the basement. So the previous seller did leave a few buckets of paint here. So I actually just came from Sherwin-Williams, and I'm going to swatch some paints upstairs while they down here in the basement unloading everything. I feel like it's been forever since I drove the car, but we stopped at the gas station because we have to put at least a gallon into the truck before we return it back to Home Depot. But we did have a rental for 4 hours, which I don't know why, because we ain't need 4 hours. So we about to take that back. So I went to Sherwin-Williams to get the paint colors, but forgot to grab a paintbrush. Now how the hell I'm gonna put the paint on the wall? So while I'm in Home Depot, I am gonna grab a paintbrush, some
What
is it called? Spackle? Some spackle, because the previous owners, they have like pictures hanging on the wall where they went through the y'all can tell I don't know what I'm talking about. So the previous owners did have like shelves in the living room and some paintings where they went through the stud to hang it up. So I want to patch that up. So y'all gonna be helping me out a lot. Right now I'm gonna go in Home Depot, get the paintbrush, get the spackle, get the spatula thingy to put it in the, all of that. I'm gonna just get all of that. All right. So here is just an overview of what the basement looks like. I just wanted to show you all before they actually start the renovations, but I'm just so excited that we are able to customize the basement how we want to. So as you all can see, it's already a lot of framework done in the basement. So they are going to be working on the main portion of the basement, as well as my sunroom and my office area. The bathroom we are actually going to save for last because I'm not exactly sure how we want to do it. We are between adding just a shower, a stand-up shower down there, or doing a half bath. I'm not sure, but the basement did come with a rough end, and if you all do not know what rough end is, meaning that the piping is already installed in the basement to add a bathroom. Now the rough end is only for a vanity and a toilet. It does not have an area for a shower, so we will have to call in a plumber to come and do all of that. Yeah, so we just excited. So this is just some of the drywall that we picked up so they could start with the renovations to the basement. We will have to get more, of course, but this is just something to get them started. I'm just so excited. I can't wait till you all see what the basement looks like. I can't wait to see what the basement will look like once they are completely finished. Now everything was not smooth sailing. I will be talking about that in the next video, but yeah, I'm just excited. I'm just excited. So this segment of my basement series and my house to home series will be maybe 3 parts. So this will be just the beginning of the renovation and the materials and stuff that we purchased. I will be showing you all daily updates or weekly updates of how the basement is coming along. But as far as the furniture and all of that stuff, that will be a completely different video. So this is just the renovation portion that I'm showing you all in this segment of the basement series. Hey y'all, so it's pretty late, but I just wanted to give you all an update as far as the basement. So this is the first day and they got a lot done. So this is one of the walls that they put up, and they also have some walls put up over there. And they also put up some drywall around the patio. So they did all of this today. So tomorrow, I'm pretty sure that a lot is going to be done and I can give you all another update. This is also the wall that they put up going into the bathroom. So yeah, things are moving pretty fast. So I'll keep you all updated after tomorrow once they come in and finish some more of the work. Hey y'all, so this is day 2 of the basement renovation, and as you can see, it's a lot more framing that's going up. I'm sure they'll be done doing the framing by tomorrow. And the electrician came in today and added some outlets. So we have outlets all throughout the basement, as well as over there where we put in the television, in my office, right here on the sides for other things that may be needed as well. So yeah, it's moving along pretty fast, faster than what we thought. So here is just an overall view of what the basement looks like so far. I believe this is still the first week of work that they did. So they did move pretty fast putting up the framing. We was definitely pleased with the way that everything looks and the way that everything is coming along. And like I said, the electrician came in and put the outlets in all of the rooms. So we was happy with that. So this clip right here is possibly maybe 2 or 3 weeks later after the last clip that I showed you all, but they are just fitting the drywall in certain areas. They haven't taped it off or anything like that yet on the ceiling, but this is just what it looks like. I just wanted to come down here and give you all an update as I see progress going. So yeah, everything is moving along pretty smooth.
3 days later.
So as you can see, all of the ceiling is up, which is the main room. We have the molding here on the floor. I did order the carpet, I want to say it was 2 or 3 days ago, but this is how we looking so far. We have our doors up already, and I'm excited about that. I didn't know that the doors, when we purchased them, did not come with doorknobs. So I do have to go and get doorknobs. And this is my son's room. So they are still in the process of finishing up my son's ceiling because they had to add a vent. So when it is cold during the winter time, he will have some heat coming in this room. They completed his closet. We just got to do the, well, they just got to do the paint. I'm saying we like I'm doing something. And let's take a look over here at my office. I did show y'all my office door. I do remember the last clip. Hold up 1 second. My apologies, y'all. I decided to save my office video for a separate video on its own, so my bad. I'm sorry. So I do have one bifold door up right here. I think they're going to close this up with drywall and then put another bifold here, which is for the understairs storage. We did order carpet for down here as well. They did add some molding around the stairs, and yeah, so we just got to go pick out a paint color. Now I'm up for doing different colors. This is the main room, the entertainment room, the theater room, whatever you want to call it. What color do you think would look best down here? So keep in mind we do have the patio doors here as well, so it brings in some type of light, but we ain't really crazy about light down here. This is the theater area. And then in my sunroom, I probably keep it real basic, probably just match it up with the colors that's upstairs, or just keep it white since it's kind of dim down here. But he do have all of these lights, so he's good. And then I think I'm going to save my office for last. Yeah, because you know I'm gonna go all out, try to spruce up the space I got back there. But of course I'm going to take you all with me while I find decorations to put down in my office. I think it is so cute though. I just wanted a space specifically for me in my recording and my schoolwork, everything else that I have to do. I have my own little space, so I'm excited about that. In the previous house I didn't have that. I had to record in the basement, as you all saw, and just kind of just record wherever I could find space at, basically. So yeah, so I'm excited about that. But but the basement is definitely coming along. It is actually early in the morning, that's why I'm not showing myself. And the fellas will be here maybe around 9 o'clock. So I just wanted to come down here and give you all an update because I have not been down here in 2 or 3 days. So right now we are in Home Depot. I'm trying to find some flooring for the bathroom as well as some towel for the shower. So I'm trying to decide between the two. I know it's hard for y'all to hear me with this mask on, I'm sorry, but this one that I'm looking at, and this one is called One River Gray. It's real pretty gray color. And this color, this one is called Himalayan Gray. Trying to decide between these two.
This wouldn't be too big, would it?
Well, it's going to be a little bit smaller than that. It's
Okay.
12 by 12, so.
You like this? No, this too bright. It's the strip that's going in the thing.
No, I did not think it was going to be this expensive. But I do like the fact that we get to customize it the way that we want to. That's not bad. So right now we are looking for backsplash to go into the shower bathroom downstairs. This is so hard. This is difficult. We had to walk so far. Look. Got it? You got it?
I don't know. There's only 2 wheels rolling.
So we're trying to get everything in here. Oh, mind you, I still got some stuff in here that I got to take back because I want to change these out to black. Yeah, excuse the dirtiness. We've been moving all types of stuff in here. So we got the flooring for my office, the backsplash for the bathroom, the grout. What, the who? Yeah, the little square thingy for the shower. Just a whole bunch of stuff. I'll show y'all later. I'm gonna try my best like not to speak. Well, not to speak. I'm gonna have to do like voiceovers for when we inside most of these stores because it's hard to hear me with this mask on and I don't want to be screaming and everybody looking at me like I'm crazy. But right now we're trying to get everything inside the van. I didn't want to have to rent another truck because this will be my 4th or 5th time renting a truck to bring home material. But I think we're going to need some more yeah, we're going to need some more sheetrock. Yeah, drywall, sheetrock, same difference, right? Yeah, we're going to need some more of that. So probably have to get another truck, but I just went on and grabbed this stuff since we was already in here. We come to Home Depot and Lowe's maybe 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 times a week.
You see something in the van? All right, so I'm gonna pack some over here. First,
Okay. Huh?
I thought she said we needed 1 grout.
She said she had it backwards. We needed 1 grout. I meant 2.
What?
2 grouts and 1 monomer or whatever. Mortimer, whatever it's called.
Mortar.
You got it?
2 boxes. Portion.
Don't crack it.
That was the box. That's not the towel. Damn. Hit me in my leg, too.
He is so dramatic. So dramatic. What you need help with?
Yeah, it's hit me in my leg. You
Oh.
dramatic. It's hit me in my leg.
Let me see your leg.
No, I'm just asking because you hold the car.
Oh, sure. Let me get out. I needed some air. Oh.
Hey, see how I keep hitting me in my leg? I
Oh.
gotta pick this up.
It's hitting them in his leg.
Christ. Can you hold it, please?
I got it.
Moving it. Hold it, please.
All right. We actually gotta go back. I'm gonna see if they have what is all the noise? I'm gonna see if they have like the black shower thing I was looking for and the nozzle and everything else. Y'all, he leaving me. Why he always leaving me? You already put and pop.
You changing this to black?
Yeah.
Want to get in there?
Well, I'm gonna see if they have it first.
We're gonna make sure we line these up even. Alright.
You can't slide. You good on your side?
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm in the garage and I just want to give you all a rundown of some of the stuff that we purchased. This is the backsplash right here that we decided to go with for the bathroom downstairs in the basement. This right here is just the siding for the shower doors because I wanted it to be black as well. Right here is the actual shower doors that they have to put on for the water to stay within inside the shower. This right here is the little area that you all see. Most people have like their soap or shampoo bottles and stuff like that inside of the shower. So this we purchased from Home Depot. Over here is the floors for my office. This is actually not the color of the floors that you were looking at on this box. It's a different color. I will show you all when we do that update. Here is the towel that I'm using in the bathroom on the floor, and it's like the same one that I'm using for the shower as well. So what you all can't see inside this box right here is the vanity. I'm not going to pull that out right now. I'll show you once he's finished. And over there is the top for the vanity. It's like a marble white color. And what else do we have here? Oh, and this big box right here is just the pan for the shower. I'm so excited. I don't think they have that long left. I think about what, maybe 2 weeks. 2 weeks, you think? Yeah, probably about 2 weeks. Oh, we forgot to close the garage.